Hi, my name is Lauren Ahmed. I am in computer science branch. I did my BTech from Trinity Institute of Technology and Research. My GATE rank was 54 and my aggregate percentage in BTech was 81.5, and I did not sit for placements at that time. And right now I am doing MTech in IIT Bombay. My CGPA is 8.96. Yeah, so till the third year of my BE, I didn't know what to do after my BE, and the job options in my BE college were not very good, and I was completely in dilemma. Then one of my teachers suggested me to attempt GATE in the year 2011. That was my third year of my engineering. So I attempted it without much preparation, and I got under 1000 rank in it. So everybody was happy, and then one of my friend and I got interest in it. Actually, I got interest in studying for GATE. Then one of my friends suggested me that if you will give GATE next year by preparation, you can come under 100. So then I thought that yeah, this can be true. So I started preparing in October 2011, and then I got good rank, and I got MTech admission. So I started my preparation in October 2011. First of all, I had some reference books with me. I had e-books of different subjects. So I started studying from reference books, and then I had joined test series of GATE Forum, because what I thought that solving more and more questions will help me understand the concept better, because in textbooks or reference books you have the concept, but there are some things which you only understand by solving the questions. So what I did is, first of all, I had previous year question papers. So I used to keep that book or the question papers with me for the whole day, and whenever I used to get time in my college, because I used to go to the college as well, I used to solve any question which I like. I just used to open randomly any page, and then whichever question I like, I used to solve it. And through the test series also, I got to see new questions, so I practiced them as well. And I didn't join specifically any coaching for preparation. Subjects which I feel are important for GATE computer science is operating system, mathematics, algorithms. Yeah, so these subjects are the most important subjects. If like I was not very good in algorithm, but I knew, so I prepared algorithm well before the GATE. And I used to study specifically for GATE after dinner, and I used to study till 2 a.m., 3 a.m. At night. Yeah, that's it. I think the main thing which helped me is solving more and more questions from previous year, and also wherever I can get new questions from computer science. So after getting the result of GATE, I applied only to three colleges: IIT Bombay, IIC Bangalore, and IIT Kanpur. Earlier, I was interested to join IIC Bangalore, but in the first list of IIC Bangalore, I wasn't shortlisted. Then later on, I was shortlisted in both IIT Kanpur and IIT Bangalore. IIT Bombay. So after some thinking, I chose IIT Bombay because I feel it's better. It will give me better exposure to everything. Yeah, then later on I also got joining offer from IIC Bangalore in its second list, but then it was too late because I had already taken admission at IIT Bombay. So then I joined IIT Bombay only. So after joining IITB, I feel that clearing GATE was not that difficult. After joining IITB, you will face bigger challenges. For me, the challenges were like, I didn't study much in my BE college. I was not habitual of studying this much like IITians study here. So that I took my time, one whole semester, to adapt to this culture, and for the first semester I got many shocks as well. So that made me adapt this culture. And so there is one major difference is there is this continuous evaluation thing in IITB, which was not there in my BE college. In my BE college, what I used to do is I didn't used to study for the whole semester, and then I used to do good in the end semester exam and used to get good marks. But here, so each and every assignment, quiz, whatever you do, even your attendance will contribute to your grade, the grade which you will get. Also, you need to like studying here for the whole time, because for the first semester in computer science branch, in the first semester you have to study a lot. You can't just, because it's a very big class. If you miss even a single thing, there will be many people in your class who will be studying much more than that. So that is the main thing. So I feel clearing it was much easier than surviving here. And job prospects here are very good, especially for computer science people. Many good companies, at least actually companies for computer science people, number of companies which come here are more than the students, of MTech people. As I know, because I did not count this year, but yeah, I have heard this thing about from some many people. All the companies like Microsoft India, Microsoft Redmond, Google headquarters, Google India, LinkedIn, all such companies come here for selecting people of their like potential employees. And yeah, they select from MTechs as well. And placement this year for the overall IIT-B was very good. And I feel that one should not, while selecting a project in IIT Bombay, one should not consider or think much about the placement. They should go with their interest, because what in the area in which you are doing the project does not matter much for the placement. So that is completely different thing. You need to prepare separately for placements here, and it can be a advantage for you if the area or the tools on which you are working in, like you are sitting for the interview for that company only, then it can be a bit beneficial, but not more than that, because the companies just see the potential in you. If you are able to answer their questions, they feel that you will be able to do all those things which they are doing in the company. So yeah, so a person should select the project according to their interest only. So if there is just less than 1 month is remaining for GATE, and you have decent knowledge of the concept, actually you need to have some conceptual knowledge, and now you want to prepare specifically for GATE, what I'll suggest is you should solve as many questions as you can from previous year question papers, and also discuss questions with the people who are also preparing for GATE computer science. So this practicing question thing will definitely help in computer science branch. At least there are many groups on Facebook or other places for computer science branch where they are preparing, like GATE CSE, and the year, like for example 2014 there will be a group for 2014, there will be a group for 2015. I had also joined the group GATE CSE 2012, through which I got to know many more questions, and we used to discuss there. So discussion and solving, practicing is the main thing in last 1 month. And if you have already prepared for GATE till now, like you have been preparing, so you must have prepared notes for every subject. So what you can do is you can revise those notes, and as long as you are getting new questions, you can keep on solving them.